Hello, Miss Amy. This is video journal number one. My name is Aaron Maurer for BPT 112. And I have my book right here, in case you wonder why I'm looking down. Talking about the chapter one, which is the copywriting marketplace. It's basically talking about the different ways that you can apply yourself in the copywriting marketplace. And that's that's useful. That's helpful because I'm not a copywriter, and I didn't really know how you what the variety of applications that there are. And it's got portfolio creation in there. That was interesting and intimidating, so that's great. I'm not certain how I'm going to contribute to copywriting. I am certain that I have something to offer. I guess to directly answer the prompt that was in the assignment, I have my notes over here in case you're wondering why I'm looking to the left of my screen. They're right here. And so to address that directly, your level of commitment towards becoming a good copywriter. Well, if I didn't say it already, I'll say it again. I think I have a lot of good ideas. I have the propensity for creative thinking with regard to words, and I enjoy words very much. I'm confident in my ability to contribute to both journalism and media. So it would be interesting to see how I could contribute to copywriting industry, I guess you would say. See where I could fall in right there. Anyway, that's what I wrote for the prompt. Anyway, and moving on, what attributes do you possess that you feel would help you become a good copywriter? I'm a good observer, that's for certain. I really enjoy words, their influence, their ability to influence, and what their application may be in a variety of scenarios to a variety of audiences. I very much enjoy that, leading me to believe that I have something to contribute somewhere. Right here. When I develop a thought or sentence, I cherish this speaking, the thinking, speaking curation process that allows its expression. I think that holds true. Moreover, I enjoy witnessing the feedback from whomever may be listening. I think it's fair that I type that. I'm gonna speak that too. I'm gonna roll with that. Keep looking at this damn video feed playback. Anyway, which professional application of copywriting most interests you? I'm gonna have to say that the corporate in-house model appeals to me the most, just on the face of it. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, nor what the hell I'm talking about. I'm just talking to my computer. But it seems like the corporate in-house makes more sense because you could only make more sense if you are more acquainted with your product. Anyway, I think I'm going to close it there. It's 3 minutes, 49 seconds. Cool. Thanks, Miss Amy. See you in class. Bye-bye.